goddess Adele has stunned her fans with an absolutely stunning picture of hers as she celebrated her 32nd birthday. 2020 के उनके फर्स्ट पोस्ट में Adele ने कहा, "Thank you for the birthday love. I hope you're all staying safe and sane during this crazy time. I would like to thank all of our first responders and essential workers who are keeping us safe while risking their lives. You're truly our angels. 2020, okay bye, thanks X." While we all think Adele has always looked stunning, it was noteworthy that she had lost a lot of weight. So how did she manage this weight loss transformation? Adele has never commented on her weight loss journey till now. Reports suggest that she has moved on from sugary teas to sourdough food diet. It is a plant-based diet that allows dark chocolates and red wines. She has managed to lose some extra pounds. Adele की incredible weight loss journey पहली बार तब देखने को मिली जब उनकी पिक Canadian rapper Drake के बर्थडे पर सरफेस हुई. It is also said that her weight loss journey began in 2017 with sourdough food diet. This diet encourages slimmers to eat plant food such as kale. इन फूड्स को सर्चुइन एक्टिवेटर्स भी कहा जाता है जो आपकी एपेटाइट को सप्रेस करते हैं और बॉडी के स्किनी जीन्स को एक्टिवेट करते हैं. रिसर्च की माने तो सर्चुइन एक्टिवेटर्स सेल्स को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम डाइंग अंडर स्ट्रेस. दे आर आल्सो मेंट टू रेगुलेट मेटाबॉलिज्म, इन्फ्लेमेशन एंड एजिंग प्रोसेस. Sourdough food diet, however, allows a person to consume dark chocolates and red wines as they are rich in sirtuins. Although Adele is believed to have lost about 13 kgs from this diet, there is little scientific evidence about its benefits. और कुछ researchers ने इसे fad भी कहा है. Adele has previously admitted that she used to drink 10 cups of tea every day. On an average अगर देखा जाए तो 10 cups of tea में इतना ज़्यादा शुगर होता है that it is actually 3 times of our daily requirement, and which in turn can lead to energy crashes, bad teeth and raised cholesterol. Apart from this, Adele कहती है कि one of the main things she does is weightlifting. और weightlifting करने के अलावा वो पिलाटेस भी करती हैं. She is said to have taken up reformer Pilates with Robbie Williams' wife Ida Field. लेकिन उनकी पिलाटेस ट्रेनर कैमिला गुडीज का कहना है कि उनकी रीसेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का 90% कम्स फ्रॉम हर डाइटिंग. उनका ये भी कहना है कि अडेल को एक्सरसाइज करना उतना पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन उनके वेट लॉस का 90% इज ड्यू टू हर चेंज्ड लाइफस्टाइल एंड डाइटिंग. While we all still await for Adele to comment on her fitness, till then take some motivation from her, stay home and stay fit. And for more such informative videos, keep watching Fit Tak.